Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. It's May 5th, 12:55 p.m. Central Time, looking at Ethereum on the 1 hour chart. Let's go. So with this mega run-up that we've really experienced since April 25th, everybody's kind of been talking about Ethereum and what's going to happen next. I have several different theories on this right now. Let's start off with the current state of Ethereum, and as you can see, we are seeing a nice wedge pattern that has formed. So my guess would be that we would see some sort of Fibonacci time zone somewhere in here, would be my guess. Now I'm also trying to figure out Elliott wave to see if Elliott wave is present here. If it is, I think we will be seeing Ethereum maybe come up to this $4,000 level. At least I'm hoping for everyone's sake. Now, I would definitely expect it to go higher than 3,500 if it is Elliott wave theory that we are seeing play out right now. So we have that going for us. Now I'm going to present an even more bullish scenario. And I'm currently not holding Ethereum, folks, so I could care less what happens to it. Obviously I want it to go up for all of you. But let's look at this thing on a 12-hour chart. And what I'm seeing here with Ethereum, I'm just going to clear this, is that maybe, just maybe, Ethereum is gearing up to go a lot higher than we all think. So if this is the first wave, the second wave needs to be longer. So we can bank on that. So bear with me. I'm just presenting this how I kind of see it. So our second wave would need to be at least, we'll just go $4,500 minimum. And now if this is a true Elliott wave theory, we'd see a little bit of a retracement, 3 to 4, right? And then we would see this thing go even higher. And we might be making the case for a $5,000 Ethereum coin here. And let's go ahead and run a little basic Fibonacci on this. I'm just going to go to the daily chart. Just stay with me for 1 second here. I'm going to kind of measure right off this base to see if we've already kind of hit some key numbers. So bear with me 1 second, folks. Okay. Let's go back to a 2-hour chart. So interestingly enough, Ethereum has come up and smashed through, what is this, the 127% line, and has now come down to rest upon it. That's pretty good indication that there is something there. Now, like I was saying before, we really want to see Ethereum come up to at least this 4,500 level. And then if it needs to drop back down to the $4,000 level or this 4,400 level, I'm just going to go to this level for our sake. Look where 200% is. Right about this $5,000 level. Now, I'm not trying to convince anybody of anything here. I'm just saying this could be the greater grand scheme of what is going on with Ethereum. And currently, we have this triangle that is forming. And let's get rid of this Elliott wave theory since we don't need it anymore. And let's measure up this little symmetrical triangle that is forming. Now, what I'm seeing here is a lot of indecisiveness on the price tags. We're seeing the bulls and the bears fight, obviously, but I'm not seeing any concrete support in either direction, and we can definitely tell that the squeeze is on. Big time. Big time. One extreme I like is from this high to this low. I think that's a really great extreme to measure a little bit of Fibonacci time zone. And so I would expect that sometime around 3 p.m. today, May 5th, we might see Ethereum kind of retrace a little bit and start heading back down. Now, May 6th, 11 a.m., so tomorrow at 11 a.m., this might be a good indication of around the time frame Ethereum is getting ready to launch. So if we go back and just kind of work our magic here, we can definitely see, what could be going on. Now, obviously, on a chart this large, our Fibonacci time zones do not work. So I'm going to go ahead and measure from this swing high to this swing low and see if anything correlates. Okay, maybe we'll measure from this swing high. Bear with me 1 second, folks. Sorry about that, I was parched. So we might end up seeing a top sometime around June 4th or some sort of retracement. So it really wouldn't surprise me if we saw these next two legs kind of take their time, and then we end up at this 200% level somewhere over here around the first week of June. I think that is a great target for Ethereum, at least to around this $5,000 level. I really think Ethereum's got a shot just based off of what I'm seeing right now. Again, let's review this Elliott wave theory that I'm talking about. If I can get it queued up, we might be seeing, something like this. Something like this. So not guaranteed. I'm going to measure some Fibonacci from here to here and see if we can come up with anything. And so you can kind of see my idea here that this might, in fact, be some sort of pivot point here to make the next move. I think Ethereum will need about a week or two to go up about $1,000. I mean, this kind of makes sense, doesn't it? So I guess from here on out, we'll just kind of have to wait and see. Hurry up and wait, right? That's what they always say. This would be my guess as to what's going to happen here short term. We may see something like this occur, but we never know. We don't know. And this is just a crazy guy on the internet wildly speculating using scientific methods. Future stock price, future coin price, future crypto price. So let's keep an eye on Ethereum, folks. And I want to say, if you enjoyed this TA, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Again, folks, I truly appreciate all the support you guys gave me during the last handful of videos. The likes have been through the roof. I couldn't be happier to sit down and do these videos and to see everyone's comments and kind of what they're saying. Let me know in the comments below if you've made it this far, where you think Ethereum's going to peak at here by June 4th. Do you think this is an accurate analysis? I don't know, but I think the argument can be made at this point in time for this analysis. We may even see this happen a little bit sooner. May 27th, we may see this $5,000. I'm just guessing, folks, like everybody else. Nobody knows. We'll just have to wait and see. So, again, thank you all for being here, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you so much.